go, friends.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
Hello guys, we are discussing the exercise from Emiran. About descriptive text. Do you want to join us?
Of course. We are so lucky to meet you guys because we want to discuss the same exercise.
Okay, then let's do it together.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you. Anyway, we're gonna start it.
It's better to collect all the problems that we have to solve together.
That's a good idea, Agnes. Let's start from the function of descriptive text, second about identification and description part, then the language features that we need instead.
Okay guys, I have an idea. How about if we divide the exercise? The boss will discuss the function in the generic structure of descriptive text, and the girls will find out the language features. Agree?
Okay, let's do it.
Eru, what do you think the function of this text?
Well, I think this text gives us a lot of information about this and part of Lake Toba. I think that's Fridos. Do you want to add?
I do agree with you, Hero, because as I remember that our lesson last week tell us that descriptive text can describe about base animal personalities.
Well, but you answer correct. Let's move to the second part, both identification and description parts. I start first. I think identification start at the first paragraph. Description is the second until the last. Anyone want to add?
No, fine the same. Okay, let's write the result.
Well, friend, as the written text, what you can find?
Because our term related to language features, so it will discuss two things. They are adjective and tenses that is used in this text.
Yes, you are right, Agnes. Jenny, can you mention some of the adjective that you can find?
Sure, for adjective for words in the text about Lake Toba, I found some adjective. They are popular, largest, special, middle, bigger, and super. I think that's. Do you want to add, Malika?
Sure, I found indigenous, size, and leaders. What about you, Agnes?
I found the same, guys. Maybe I just want to share about the tenses that we use in this text. In descriptive text, we use simple present tense sentence, and I already found it some. While I read it, please underline the sentences.
Okay.
Number 1. Danau Toba or Toba Lake is one of the most popular destinations in Indonesia. Number 2. Danau Toba is the largest volcanic lake in Indonesia. Number 3. Lake Toba is an area of 1,707 kilometers square. Number 4. We can say that this is 1,000 kilometers bigger than Singapore. Number 6. The eruption of Mount Toba has led to change in the Earth's weather and the start into the Ice Age that affects that world civilization. The next, Lake Toba is actually more like a sea than a lake considering its size. The last, Lake Toba is also includes the deepest lake in the world, which is approximately 450 meters. Well, I think that's...
Great job, Agnes. I think let's write the conclusion.
Okay, let's do it.
The girls, can we start the sharing now?
Yes, why not?
Ladies first.
No, it's better to discuss from the question 1.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, I will follow.
Well, friends, our team will start from number 1, that's about the function descriptive text. Descriptive text is to describe about place, animal, person or things. In this text about Lake Toba, it gives us much information and part about place. Thank you. Any question?
I think that's clear for me. What about others?
Me too.
Good, then the question 2 will be answered by Friedrich.
Why me? What's your question?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, I share it. Please see your papers. Identification starts at paragraph 1 and description starts at the second until the last paragraph. Is it clear?
No!
Why did you say no? I guess my answer is so perfect.
Woo! So arrogant!
Girls, calm down. Fridus, your answer was very good, but can you tell us your group decided that paragraph 1 is identification and paragraph 2 is till the last is description?
Paragraph 1 was identification parts because it clarified the sentence about the Toba. Before it continued to explain it more about parts and characteristics about the Toba. And paragraph 2 till the last description parts because it provides more information about parts and characteristics of Lake Toba. That's what I can share. Anyone wants to add?
No more. Good job, brother. Okay, it's clear now?
Yup, that's so clear.
Okay, let's finish the last question. Girls, take the time.
Thank you, Rason. Okay, friend. Last question 1 that we have to fix the land use features. Well, the language features that we use in descriptive text is adjective form and simple present tense sentence. I pleased Agnes to share us the adjective list that we found in this text.
Thanks, Malinche. Okay, I'll start from paragraph 1. Popular, largest, special, and middle. The second paragraph, bigger and indigenous. The next paragraph, there are super and several. The last paragraph, I only can find types. Perhaps do you want to add?
Thank you, Agnes. Let's finish the last. Guys, we also found some of simple present tense sentence in this text. Once again, I asked everyone to check in this text. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1, Danau Toba or Toba Lake is the one of the most popular destination in Indonesia. Number 2, Danau Toba is the largest volcanic lake in Indonesia. Number 3, Lake Toba is area of 1,700,000 kilometers square. Number 4, we can say that is 1,000 kilometers square, bigger than Singapore. Number 5, Samosir Island is cultural center of the Batak tribe. Number 6, the eruption of the Mount Toba is made to change in the earth water that start into the ice age, the effect the world civilization. Number 7, Lake Toba is actually more like a sea than lake considering its size. Last, Lake Toba is also included the deepest lake in the world, which is approximately 450 meters. That's all our finding. Thank you.
I think I got many lessons from this.
Yes, sure.
And so do I, Agnes. What about others?
Of course we are.
We will submit our group work in
Anyway, thank you for the nice discussion.
That's okay.